Trubor nakaslem jong udongsan Hima.
Kasan Shnong Youth Welfare Organization kala Pynhap Pyrda no yakathad SSYWO Free Inter-School Knockout Football Tournament and School Sports Meet Araja Arpasal kabala long handin kesengi Hamadan Sado Marbanyang Melim Blok. Hagani ke jingi lekai ki don palat khat pra tali ki school ki bahab ha Melim Blok bat mau plang blok balai wan ban shimbenta naduk ki kentei bat shenrang. Hashwa Bansa Miki Husnam uba Lionel Nongklau ubadai General Secretary Kasan Shnong Youth Welfare Organization ulayok ban keren kentu kan pham yaki khana school lada day yaki bajob ni yaki baramru.
Teachers from William Presbyterian Secondary School, have it? And for the boys, Secondary School, have it? Second prize, can you guess? Pada kabagi pulong, ya kani ka tournament, but ya ka sports meet. Iyo ka report na kinong hikay school na kinong penyat school. Pa ka enrollment haki school ki jongki kalanang kiu. But kaba council to not sure. Kalong ba ki do ki kena ki ba pep school si tangkor. Ilawan ban teng biang ya ki tingkuli ki jongki. Not to be disheartened, not to be discouraged. Use this experience as motivation, as inspiration to strive, to work harder, push your limits, challenge your boundaries, and never give up on your goals. Remember that true victory is built on the courage to overcome adversity.